Hey guys, thank you for being back here. I'm Grekz again. So the video that I bring to you today was one where we are going to create a REST API with Node.js and Express. The what Whenever we talk nowadays, like when on doing a development with JavaScript, we always need to bring along Babel. I mean, unless unless you want to do a lot of extra work. And so yeah, let's start with that. So right now we are in this clean directory. We are going to create some JavaScript file, which is going to contain all the app, all the logic, which is not going to be too much of a logic because this is only for me to explain the how you guys can create a small endpoint. I think that now we can create an endpoint that just add two numbers and let's do that. So again, I'm going to create the configuration file for Babel, and I'm gonna install some npm packages. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So we have Express, which is going to help us to create the API, Nodemon, which is going to help us to see our changes reflected as soon as we save the file, similar to a hot reloading, but for APIs. Babel core, Babel node, and Babel preset env. So we don't have to configure many things on Babel. Let's just install this. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to do some npm init on this. Yep. Cool. Now let's make this an npm package with this just npm init and let everything by default. Just here now. Let's run again this command and wait for the packages to be installed. Cool. Now we have all these dependencies, the one that I run. Here, the test script is not going to be too useful. You shouldn't delete the test script. You should always go and have good coverage on all the code that you do. But in order to keep this simple, I'm just going to have here the Nodemon, and then just going to run this as well, just for be able to do the transpiling and from ES6 to something that Nodemon can read. Okay, cool. Now, if you're interested in knowing more about Nodemon or Babel and Babel Node, I will probably leave a link on the description of the video so you guys can check it out. Cool. Now let's just here import Express from Express. Yes. And then just have the app, which is going to be, we're going to just call here Express. Now let's define the port which the app is going to run. And let's have this as to let the app know that it needs to listen on this port. And now just a console log for here Terra running on TTP localhost, then the port. Cool. Let me hide this a little bit. Yes. Cool. Cool. Now, if we run our project here, yes. So this is an error telling me that I haven't configured babel in the project, and if you guys can see, this babel RC it's empty, so let's just add this as the presets. I don't remember. I think it's babel and then preset env. Let's see if this works. Cool. Yeah, it works. Let's see. Yep, we have here our the proof that our app is running. Yep. Cool. Now let's go and do our example endpoint. We're just going to have here to tell the app that whenever we get on this endpoint, let's just specify here a route. Then the request and then the response. And cool. Now let's get, I'm gonna call my query parameters first and second, which is they are going to be just two integers that are going to be part of the query that the request is going to have. And I'm gonna have the total, which is just going to be the addition of the two parameters. Just add so parse int first and then parse int second. And now I'm gonna tell the response to set status 200, which is like everything's okay, and the body for the response is going to have what can we say? Maybe just call it success, and then small message saying that's true, and then I will just send the total here. Cool. So we see that Nodemon has restarted the server. So I've already created here some requests on Postman. If let me see, if I make the request, you guys see that it's that we get success and it's true. Let's mix this a little bit. Let's make probably 40 or 49. Then just hit send, and then yeah. So we have the response is the total by calling this endpoint, right? Cool. That's it. This is a pretty short video. I hope you guys can create some good endpoints on on Node and Express. I will continue to create some more videos on Node and Express. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye.